Hi guys, it's Dave from Car Crackers here again. Just thought I'd do another episode of the perfect car to drive today. So somewhere special today, as you can see by the Mintec sponsorship behind me and the track over there. I'm here at the Goodwood racetrack in West Sussex. Absolutely gorgeous, literally my favourite place to be. And I would say today, obviously it's a little bit wet, so I think a fun car, something like an older racing car, I think, definitely because of the place we're in. And I would say it's got to have real historical prevalence because of this area. So I would say it doesn't really matter about a closed top. I know you get soaking wet, but in this place it's special enough that it doesn't really matter. So I would say it's got to be something that an older, posher gentleman could put his leather gloves on, put his goggles and his cap, jump in and have a bloody jolly good time. So I would say the perfect car to drive today, imagining that you're Mike Hawthorne, that is the Jaguar D-Type. Excellent. Cheers guys, thank you for watching, hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.